When you're trying to get your health back on track, there are many ways to detox your way to feeling better. The best way to flush out toxins, however, is simple: lots and lots of water. But you don't have to drink it plain. You can add a little flavor as well with several delicious and detoxifying additions. Add lemon, mint, cucumber, and ginger to a large jug or bottle full of ice and water and drink throughout the next day for an effective way to detox. It helps to let those pieces soak overnight in your fridge to let the flavors mingle. Let's take a look at the individual benefits of these 4 tasty ingredients. You'll be a complete expert on all things lemon, cucumber, ginger, and mint by the end of this video. First off, lemon. The benefits of adding lemon to your detox water are as follows. 1. Aids in digestion. Acid helps break down food. That's why there's so much of it in our stomachs. The acid in lemons may be especially helpful in supplementing stomach acid levels, which tend to decline as we age. 2. Helps you stay hydrated. Most of us don't drink enough water. A daily lemon water habit is an easy way to get your day off on the right foot. How do you know if you're drinking enough? You'll notice that your urine is almost clear. 3. Weight loss friendly. We're creatures of habit. Ponder the impact of replacing your morning orange juice or latte with lemon water. Not just once, but perhaps 20 times a month, and multiply that by 10 years. Your waistline will thank you. 4. Prevents oxidation. Like all produce, lemons contain phytonutrients, which protect your body against disease. These phytonutrients have powerful antioxidant properties, which prevent cell damage from oxidation, the same mechanism that causes rust. 5. Supplies a healthy dose of vitamin C. Juice half a lemon into your water and you'll add a mere 6 calories to your diet. Plus, you'll get more than a sixth of your daily vitamin C, which is needed to protect us from cell damage and repair injury. 6. Provides a potassium boost. Your body can't function without potassium. It's necessary for nerve-muscle communication, transporting nutrients and waste, and blood pressure regulation. Fruits and vegetables, especially lemons, are important sources of potassium. 7. Helps prevent kidney stones. Lemon water helps prevent painful stones in people deficient in urinary citrate, a form of citric acid. More importantly, increased fluids help prevent dehydration, a common cause of kidney stones. Moving on to the benefits of adding mint into your detox water. Here's what you need to know. 1. Supports digestive health. Mint has been a household remedy for upset stomachs for generations. Recently, modern science has pointed to mint's effectiveness in supporting digestive health. Mint water is an excellent way to enjoy the digestive benefits of mint, as it contains menthol, which some studies have shown may help manage irritable bowel syndrome. 2. Fights fatigue. While mint water doesn't contain any caffeine, studies show that the aroma of mint can help promote alertness and fight fatigue. Research also suggests that the scent of mint can elevate your mood. This makes mint water the perfect choice for an afternoon pick-me-up. 3. Soothes cold symptoms. Though mint water hasn't been shown to cure any illnesses, it can help soothe some of the symptoms of the common cold. The menthol quality of mint water has been shown to help clear nasal passages. 4. Reduces halitosis. Studies show that mint can help reduce the bacteria in the mouth that cause bad breath. Mint water's antibacterial quality makes it an excellent beverage for freshening your breath throughout the day. That's enough mint talk. Let's take a look at one of the most talked about superfoods of the year, ginger. The benefits of adding ginger to your detox water are as follows. 1. Can help quell nausea. If you're feeling queasy, reaching for ginger water could be a smart move. Ginger has long been considered a helpful way to combat both morning sickness and chemotherapy-induced nausea. Ginger helps speed up stomach emptying so things can go from the stomach into the small bowels more efficiently. 2. May relieve period pain. Countless home remedies claim to help relieve symptoms during that time of the month, but here's one that has some substance behind it. Ginger helped reduce menstrual cramp pain in a randomized clinical trial, so it's got the backing of science. 3. Will help balance blood sugar. While drinking sugary ginger beer certainly won't help you here, ginger does have some ties to improving blood sugar levels in patients with type 2 diabetes. Consuming 3 grams of powdered ginger per day helped patients improve their glycemic indices compared to a placebo, according to a recent study. 4. Can promote weight loss. No, ginger water won't melt belly fat or torch calories, but it's still worth sipping if you enjoy the taste and want a more flavorful alternative to plain water. The real benefit here is drinking ginger detox water in place of ginger ale or other sugary beverages, like a super sweet iced tea or a gingerbread flavored latte. Ginger water contains almost 0 calories and helps with hydration. 2 major pluses if you're trying to lose weight. Last but not least, cucumber. This underrated fruit boasts a huge number of healthful properties, especially when added to a detox water with other fruits and veggies. These benefits include 1. Promotes fresh breath. Eastern medicine blames excessive heat in the stomach for bad breath. Cucumbers are a cooling food which can alleviate this issue. The extra water in cucumbers strips odor-causing bacteria from your mouth. 2. Helps you maintain a healthy weight. Low-calorie and high-fiber foods are a great way to curb your hunger and maintain healthy weight. 1 cup of cucumbers contains less than 20 calories, making cucumbers one of the lowest-calorie snacks. Sometimes when we reach for a snack, what we really want is a hydrating drink. Making a more interesting beverage using cucumbers could help satisfy that craving without all the extra calories. 3. Can protect your brain. Cucumbers contain an anti-inflammatory flavanol, which helps keep your brain healthier and younger. And studies even suggest that it helps Alzheimer's patients maintain cognitive function for longer. 4. High in vitamins and minerals. For such a simple fruit, cucumbers have a surprising number of nutritional benefits. 1 cucumber contains vitamin A, vitamin B6, and vitamin C, as well as magnesium and calcium. Put that in your glass and drink it. 5. Keep you hydrated. Overeating and sluggishness are often caused by dehydration, and in the summer heat, you need even more H2O to feel good. Give your water intake a boost by drinking cucumber water, which is so refreshing that you'll never want to spend a hot summer day without it again. 6. Supports heart health. Heart disease is one of the biggest killers in the world. Luckily, a produce-rich diet is a great way to maintain a healthy lifestyle. Adding potassium-laden cucumbers to your diet can pave the way for a heart-healthy life. 7. Good for your skin. The silica in cucumbers helps to prevent acne and other skin conditions. You may have seen people put cucumber slices over their eyes, but if you really want to get the full benefit of this fruit, add it to your water. Munching through all 4 of these healthful ingredients would take quite a long time. Plus, who wants to eat raw ginger and mint? That's why the best solution is to add the ingredients to water, combining their flavors and benefits in one healthful beverage. It's really easy to make lemon, ginger, mint, and cucumber water. Simply add 3 to 5 slices of cucumber, half a lemon, and a few sprigs of mint leaves to a medium-sized pitcher of ice-cold water. You can also add a 1-inch piece of ginger sliced and peeled for a spicy kick. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to this YouTube channel, and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you'll enjoy our next video on 13 fruit-infused water health benefits for weight loss, clear skin, and energy. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.